If you're in the market for a golf cart but want to keep your spending in check, you've come to the right place. Today, we're revealing the best golf cart brands for budget-conscious buyers in 2025. Whether you're looking for a reliable course companion, a fun neighborhood cruiser, or just a practical way to get around your property, there are options out there that deliver great value without breaking the bank. We'll break down what makes each brand stand out, what to look out for, and how to get the most for your money. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you get notified whenever we put up awesome content for you. Let's get started. What to expect from a budget golf cart in 2025. Before jumping into the brands, let's set some expectations. Budget golf carts today aren't just stripped-down units with minimal features. Thanks to competition and technology, even affordable models now come with lithium batteries, LED lighting, digital displays, and comfortable seating. But being budget-friendly doesn't mean you should compromise on safety or reliability. The trick is knowing where to look, what features matter for your use, and how to spot a real deal. Icon EV, value and versatility. Let's start with Icon EV, a brand that's exploded in popularity over the last few years. Icon carts have become a go-to for budget-focused buyers because they offer a lot of features at a price that significantly undercuts the legacy brands. You'll find modern styling, lithium battery options, digital dashboards, and even Bluetooth sound systems, often at several $1,000s less than similar models from Club Car or Easygo. What's most impressive is their standard equipment list. LED headlights, turn signals, mirrors, and seat belts are included even on entry-level trims. Plus, Icon's dealer network is growing fast, which means easier access to support and parts. The build quality is solid, and the styling is sharp enough to stand out in any community. For buyers who want maximum value and modern features, Icon is tough to beat. Bintelli, affordable style and tech. Next up is Bentelli, another rising star in the budget-friendly golf cart world. Bentelli carts are known for their eye-catching designs and solid list of standard features, all at a wallet-friendly price point. You'll often find models with aluminum frames, premium wheels, and touchscreen displays, all for less than what you'd pay with the big three brands. Bentelli also puts a big focus on safety, offering 3-point seat belts, automotive-style lighting, and an onboard trickle charger. What sets them apart is their customization. Dealers offer a wide range of colors, seating options, and accessories, so you can tailor your cart without blowing your budget. For buyers who want a bit of flair and technology at a reasonable price, Bentelli is a brand worth a close look. Evolution. Premium features, entry-level price. Now let's talk about Evolution, the brand behind the Forester and Classic series. If you watched our previous review, you know Evolution carts come loaded with features, lithium batteries, digital dashes, Bluetooth stereos, and a modern automotive look. The big surprise? Their prices are some of the lowest in the industry for what you get. Evolution carts are street legal in many communities right out of the box, and their lithium battery technology offers more range and longevity than traditional lead-acid systems. Owners praise the comfortable ride, quiet operation, and low maintenance. There are a few quirks, like minor fit and finish issues, and a dealer network that's still expanding. But for the budget shopper who wants a luxury feel without the luxury price tag, Evolution is a top contender. Yamaha. Reliability on a budget. If you're looking for a trusted name and bulletproof reliability, Yamaha should be on your radar. While Yamaha's newest models can get pricey, their basic gas and electric Drive 2 models are actually more affordable than you might expect, especially if you're open to gently used or refurbished units. Yamaha carts are known for their rock-solid engines, smooth ride, and legendary longevity. Even entry-level models are built to last, and the parts availability is unmatched. What you might sacrifice in modern gadgets, you make up for in long-term value and peace of mind. Easygo. The pre-owned advantage. Easygo is another household name in the golf cart world, and while their new carts can stretch the budget, their pre-owned and refurbished program is a hidden gem. Easygo refurbishes their carts with new paint, fresh batteries, and updated features, usually at a fraction of the price of new. You get the benefit of a recognizable brand, a nationwide service network, and the confidence of a solid warranty. Their TXT models are everywhere, which means parts are cheap and easy to find. If you're worried about the risks of buying used, Easygo carts are a smart way to save money without gambling on quality. Club car. Budget options from a legendary brand. No list would be complete without Club Car, arguably the most respected name in golf carts. While their onward and new models are premium priced, the Precedent series, especially pre-owned or refurbished units, can be a budget shopper's dream. These carts are famous for their rust-proof aluminum frames, simple maintenance, and high reliability. Buyers can often find fleet returns or trade-ins at local dealers, refurbished with new batteries and fresh seats, all backed by a warranty. Club Car's dealer support is second to none, making them a safe bet for first-time buyers or anyone who wants a cart that will last for years. If you want legacy build quality on a budget, the Precedent series is worth a look. What to look for when buying on a budget. When shopping for a budget golf cart, it's tempting to focus only on price, but there are a few key things you should keep in mind. First, always consider the battery. Lithium packs cost more upfront but can actually save you money in the long run, thanks to longer life and less maintenance. Check the warranty and after-sales support. A cheap cart is no bargain if you can't get it fixed. Test drive before you buy, and pay attention to ride quality, noise, and comfort. If you're buying used or refurbished, inspect for rust, frame damage, and battery health. And finally, make sure you're buying from a reputable dealer who stands behind their products. New versus used, making the right choice. One of the biggest decisions for budget-conscious buyers is whether to buy new or used. New carts offer peace of mind, full warranties, and the latest features, but they'll cost more. Used or refurbished carts can save thousands, and with brands like Club Car, Yamaha, and Easygo, a well-maintained cart can give you years of reliable use. Just be sure to get a detailed history and, if possible, buy certified pre-owned from a dealer. So, who takes the crown for best golf cart brand on a budget in 2025? For new carts loaded with modern features, Icon, Bintelli, and Evolution lead the pack. If you want legendary reliability and easy resale, a pre-owned Club Car or Yamaha is a smart move. And for those who want the reassurance of a factory warranty on a used cart, Easygo's refurbished program is hard to beat. Conclusion. So, what's the best golf cart brand for budget-conscious buyers in 2025? Well, at the end of the day, it depends on your needs. But whether you choose Icon for its simple effectiveness, Bentelli for style, Evolution for premium features, or a refurbished Yamaha, Club Car, or Easygo for legendary reliability, there's never been a better time to find value in the golf cart market. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more reviews and buyer's guides, and let us know in the comments which brand you're considering, or if you have experience with any of these carts. Thanks for watching, stay smart, drive happy, and I'll see you in the next video.